wondering how's that possible.
He got hit by another car into that building. It must have been going fast. I think he got T-boned. That's how it happened. See, remember how we ended up one time hitting the ball? He got T-boned into that damn building.
I want to back up so they don't see me videotaping this.
Here we go, Jay.
Jay, put it on YouTube.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Look, look, look. Look, Jay. Get it from right here, this side, the back side. Look.